I'm back at Krissy and Tyson's place in the Victorian country town of Euroa, also known as Ned Kelly country. I've learnt some interesting things on this journey, one of which is that a young Charlie Allbone looks like a young Ned Kelly. Anyway, back to business. Let's see if Mus Blaze and our pseudo bushranger have managed to complete their mission. Look at this, a tree-lined driveway, a clear pathway and a smart new entrance. I suppose you do know a thing or two, Charlie. This lounge room really wasn't a place for anyone to congregate. But now we're talking. This is an inviting and very stylish space with a new fireplace to boot. Everything about this bathroom was outdated and unappealing. Even the shower screen was distressing. 5 gold stars, Shayna. The kitchen needed some TLC and the Blaze has come to the rescue. You can always rely on a new splashback, bench tops and tapware for a lift. And the sunroom is now a space with a purpose. Wow, Charlie, you've certainly had your work cut out for you here. An outdoor setting with exclusive toilet views was hardly going to cause a bidding war. But now it's the place to host a barbie. Well, this probably certainly gets my vote. It would seem that our very own outlaw and his superior have completed their job. Now it's my turn to get this lovely young family and their herd of animals a quick sale.